Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be making a bunny rabbit, so let's get started. Let's go about 1/3 of the way down your paper. We need to make sure that we leave enough room for his ears, so we want to go down a little bit further than sometimes we do with other animals. So what we're going to do first is we're going to make a large curved line like this. This is going to be the top of our bunny's head. Now coming down, we're going to make a straight line, and a straight line, and then a slanted line, and a slanted line, and then we're going to close that up at the bottom. Now we're going to go back up to the top, and we are going to make some ears. Remember, bunnies have very long ears, so we're going to make a curved line coming up, and a curved line coming down, a curved line coming up, and a curved line coming down. Inside of those lines, we're going to make some other lines like this, curved lines, just to give it a little bit more detail. Now let's work on our bunny's face. Our bunny's face is pretty simple. We're just going to make some wide set eyes. Wide set just means that they're pretty far apart. Remember, this is a cartoon. If there's a different way that you like to make your bunny eyes, go ahead and do that. Now we're going to make his nose, which is a little bit of a triangle. And you can fill that in with color if you'd like, and then make a straight line down. So his little mouth is tucked under his chin. Let's make the bunny body now. We don't have a lot of room, at least I don't on my piece of paper, so I'm going to make his body pretty short and a little bit chubby. And that's just fine with me. You might have more room down here at the bottom, so just do what you like to do with your bunny body. So I'm going to make a straight line coming down and a straight line coming down. And then I'm going to make some feet for my bunny and legs. So 2 lines for the legs and some toes. So lines and then toes at the bottom. And then I'm going to close up the bottom of my bunny's body. I'm going to put some back legs here. We don't see them a lot because they're behind his body. And I want to remember his fluffy tail, just like that. I think I'm going to go back up and add some whiskers for my bunny. Forgot to do that earlier. Oh, he looks really cute. All right, the last thing that I'm going to do is add a little bit of a background. I like to see a background with my pictures, but if you want to just keep your bunny like that, that's okay. I'm going to get you started on a background. Let's put a little line here, hop over my bunny, and then finish up my line here. That will show that the bunny is sitting on some ground, like some dirt or some grass, or whatever you'd like. I think I'm going to add a little bit of grass right here. I think I might even add a carrot over onto this side. Let me show you how I make a carrot. I make a tiny line and then a really long V attached to it. And then on top, I just add some spiky greens. And you can even put some lines in it for detail if you'd like. I might even add a little bit more grass here, and maybe even here. You can put flowers, you can put ladybugs, you can put different types of insects. It's completely up to you. You know what you can also do? You can also fill in the background up here with some clouds, maybe a sun. It's totally up to you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye.